This is what's happening right now as I'm getting ready to leave on my vacation to Arizona. Hello, party people! It is Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. We are here in Mesa, Arizona at Mitch's bead store. And I'm here with Mama Thunderhorse, and we're here, and we're so excited. And you guys, they have spiny oysters, so I'm going to do a little round of the store to let you guys know what's going on. And you guys sell online, correct?
Yes.
They sell online. We'll get you all of the information. It'll be in the description of this video. This is store 1. I'm so excited. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye! Hi guys, it's Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. I am here at Bernie's Beads. Now get this, Bernie and Mitch are brothers. We were just over to Mitch's place, bought all the beads, wonderful beads over there. Now we're over here at Bernie's, and they're located on 1245 West Guadalupe Road in Suite B1 in Mesa, Arizona. And Bernie's not selling online right now, but check the store out. Super awesome. We've had a wonderful conversation. Reminds me very much of Jeff, so I'm super excited. There's Mama Thunderhorse. She's already shopping away with her list. So here we are. We're gonna pick up some good, spectacular, amazing stones. The stones here look really awesome. And then Bernie has told me that he's got special things for us in the buyouts. So we're gonna take a look-see. So hopefully it'll be super awesome. I'm gonna take you guys around, and I'll be right back. Got all the things. We have all the things. So Mom's focusing on bloodstone right now. So she's already picked up some of the African bloodstone right here. And then we were just having a conversation about the double goddess eye beads, which is just super serendipitous of us. And now here they have some. Bernie was wearing one. Me and Mom were talking about this morning. They got the 1,000-year-old protection. Right there it is. Now, if you're not aware, this is what the current ones look like for protection against evil eye. And that's what they look like right now. So if you're unfamiliar, what happened was when patriarchal societies became, back in the day, they disposed of all the double goddess eye beads because they wanted to take away power from women, which, we're not totally for. So we were super excited to find some, so we're going to be picking some of that up. And here's some beautiful rainbow moonstone. Lovely, 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 lovely. Let me take you over here to the trade bead section, because this is where we live and die. Yes. So we got powder glass, records, Ghana. Ooh, these are cool. Sorry, I haven't done my lap yet. I wanted to get the video going. Bone. Oh, those ones are cool.
Those kind of look like mountain scenes.
Oh, Mom says they look like mountain scenes. These ones we've had in the shop before. These one are ebony wood and aluminum. Super good. More spiny oyster. He has the purple. Now, I had just made a purchase over at Mitch's shop in this guy right here. So if you're not familiar, the spiny oyster is very popular in Native American design. It used to be coral, but since coral reefs are dying and people are trying to reserve them and preserve them and moving forward, they have been moving more into spiny oyster instead of using man-made coral. But I honestly have never seen in person the purple, which is super awesome. I know it comes in 3 colors, so that's cool. There's good music in this store. We might have to bleep it. More bone. Denim coral. Super good. Z beads. Milfori. That's Italy. More evil eye beads. Sea urchin. Oh, probably helps if I put it. Look at these little guys. I've never seen these ones before. Sea urchin. All the mermaid glass. More Mom. Hi, Mom. Got a little chain wall over here. And this looks to be singles and kind of just some charmy charms. And more people are coming into the store right now. So in order to allow them to have their privacy, I'm going to kind of go this way. Look at all these little cups. Amazing, right? Egyptian crystal. Those are nice. I like those. Aquamarine. Turquoise. All the raw stones. Amber. Spectacular. More amber. Pearls. Very lovely.
I know, you don't have to touch the glass. Now, the only thing you really have to know
Turquoise.
is to make them off.
Oh, those are amazing. You see those right there? You might have to get those. Those are great. We love those. Aqua Aura. And then this, all this. Okay, here's the dealio. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a deal with Bernie. We're gonna get all of this stuff. I'm gonna make the Arizona boxes. So if you need an Arizona box, let your girl know. I'm gonna be home in a few days. I hope you're all having a wonderful, spectacular, amazing beading day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.